So I'm filming 3 videos in one night. If you're wondering why I'm wearing the same outfit for 3 videos, if you happen to see them all on my channel. Okay, but today we're doing something I'm excited for. It's the Glitz accessories and such nail subscription box. It has the Glitz accessories and such.com, nail art, fusion ink, gel painting, 4D gel. Glitz accessories and such on Instagram and Facebook. It says hello fabulous. Distributed by Glitz Accessories and Such in Pensacola, Florida. All rights reserved. And then there are QR codes for all their social medias and websites and such. Oh, and they're cruelty free. Anyways, let's see. Where's the thing? Yeah, subscription box. Okay. So this, I believe, is the January subscription box. Let's see. Maybe I have to click on the box. Hold on, sorry. I should have figured this out before I started the camera. Alright, see, it says Glitz Nail Art subscription box monthly. It's $29.99 a month, I believe, plus shipping. So I believe it's like roughly $40 a month. Glitz sub box is here, and get newest nail art delivered to your door every month, plus free tutorials daily on social media at Glitz Accessories and Such on Instagram. Subscribe between January 12th through February 11th to receive the February box. Subscribe between February 12th through March 11th to receive the March box. So, oh, and it tells you what's in each box, so I don't want to see, because that's for the February box anyways, and I don't even have that. So it's $29.99 a month, and you're supposed to get like a ton of stuff as it shows in the picture. Yeah, so I'm excited for this box. I've been waiting for this box. I'm going to unbox it. I have other boxes to unbox as well. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, I'm so excited for this box and look how pretty it is. Let's just go ahead and open it. It says, let your creativity soar, hashtag glitz crystals, hashtag glitz accessories and such. Apparently I really struggle to say glitz. It says Happy New Year, so yes, this is the January box. I love their marble and black and gold like theme. Okay, so let's open this up first. So, it says Glitz Accessories and Such, thank you for your love and support. Please enjoy a special thank you offer, 10% off. Use code THANKS10 during checkout. And it has the crystal application guide. And it just comes with this little baggie of blue glitter. It says Glitz accessories and such, and it looks like just little confetti. Hold on, let me look at it. I see like Chanel, like feathers, little diamonds. That's what I see in there. I believe this is all like their brand, so I'm not gonna keep repeating it. This looks like a fun, like geometric little Gucci foil. Look what that looks like. And then this one says, I don't know what brand that is. It says boy with like an eagle, I think, and that's a foil. It's a nail foil. Not sure what brand that is. And then there are these, what are they, like deck of card stickers. There's like the king, queen, and joker down here. And then like all the different suits of the cards. That's cute. They give a cute look together with that. And then this one looks like, I don't know what font you would call that. But it's like a fancy font, maybe English font you would say, in white. And it looks like it's one letter. Oh, I think it's two. Oops, sorry. 2 letters each of the alphabet. Or maybe more than that. Maybe like 3 or 4. I don't know, I can't tell. But I don't even know if you guys can see that. And then in here, oh, it's just, let me take this out. Just one like huge rose. Probably want to keep it in the bag here for storage. Look how pretty that is. Oh my god. Okay, I love that. I don't want to like break it. Okay, oh my god. Let's stick that back in there. Okay, and then there are some Glitz nail files. They're 100, 180 grit. Looks like both of them are. Those can always come in handy, especially if you're a nail tech. Okay, and then there is a glitter, a chrome glitter, if I could figure out how to open it. Okay, out, that hurt my nail. Let's see. Okay, I can't get it open. Okay, there we go. Let's get rid of that box. It is just a little pink iridescent glitter in their cute little packaging. That one, and then it looks like it comes with chrome powder. I love how this chrome powder is looking. Let's take it again. Oh my god, again, it's just me struggling. Okay. That's a chrome powder. It looks like kind of big chunks. I like how that looks. It's totally different. And it came with the little application thing too. And the next thing, oh, we used to get these in like the nail box all the time in different colors. I believe I have them in like red and stuff. They're just like gray roses with diamonds and pearls and a couple little shapes to go with gray. Okay, and then there are, it says Diamond Dust Pixie Collection, but they're just little caviar beads. They come in that little case that they always do. Caviar beads in there. And let me get rid of all this trash. And the last thing is a Glitz, it's their brand, I'm not even gonna say it again, Fusion Ink and Passionate. Okay, so it's an ink, so I'm not gonna swatch this. Let me take it out of the box though. So again, this is their line of inks. It's Fusion Ink and Passionate, and it's number 1. I'll open it up and show you the color. So there's that. Okay. Yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna swatch it. It wouldn't really work out well, but I don't know about you guys. Oh, look, I totally fucked it up. Messed it up, sorry. But like, look at everything that came in this. Like, stickers, foils, make sure it's all in frame, glitters, discount code. This is everything that came in that little box. I like this box so far. It reminds me of Nailboxy, and that is what I've been missing. So I plan to continue doing these boxes. I'd say this is definitely worth, what did I say it was, like $30 and then shipping. I think it's worth it. I'm gonna stay with this box. And I do like that it's all like their brand and you can like get to know little stuff from their brand. I like that. Yeah, so let me know how you guys like this video and how you like this box. So far, I plan to keep on doing unboxings of this. If for some reason you guys hate them, I'll like just, you know, get the box and not show a video. But just let me know. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in my next video. I know I'm super hyper today, but I appreciate all of you, and I'm trying to get into a more regular schedule. So thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.